How to see how many hours you have played a game on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be finding out that. So let's just get started. So if you'd like to find out that, what you can do is head over to roblox.com in one of your browsers first, for example, Chrome, and from there, you can head over and go to the new tab and search for Roblox extension. So our Roblox does not have a dedicated feature directly that allows us to look out for how many hours we have spent playing the game. So what we need to do is head over and look out for Roblox extension within our browser. You can easily find it on Chrome Web Store as well. So once you find it up, look out for this option called Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click on it, and you need to confirm. Click on Add Extension and go ahead and confirm adding the extension on your Chrome. So once it is added, you can find the extension like this. So go to Extension and you can pin it for easier access. And now you can set up the extension. So just go ahead and set it up here. Or you can directly search for this option within your Roblox and search for this option, which is Experience Playtime Tracking. So go ahead and turn this option on. Head over to your Roblox, refresh your Roblox, and you should be finding the Roblox here. So you need to verify the Roblox user. Look out for this option called Verify Roblox User and go ahead and verify yourself. So click on Verify your Roblox account in game. Turn this on, and you need to go ahead and verify this. So you can get code in Roblox user verification. For that, just go ahead and look out for this play option and click on Open Roblox Game Client. And there you will be finding the code where you can go ahead and copy and paste the code right here in the section. So just go ahead and do so. And once you complete this emoji verification code, you can find your Roblox here. Go ahead and click on it, and from there you can just go ahead and turn this option on for Experience Playtime Tracking. Enable this option right here, and once it is enabled, you may hit back to Roblox, go to the plane that you are looking for, and there you will be finding how many hours you spent playing that game in the section once you're verified. So that is it for today's video. You may follow up this process if you'd like to know your Roblox experience, your playtime in Roblox. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.